So, hey guys, it's a Saturday evening and I had disappeared a bit in the last couple of days. Thank you for subscribing to me, following me. Subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Style on YouTube, and also you can follow me on the Star Maker. My ID is 621125095226. As I said, I had disappeared for the last few days. Was just staying away from social media but yeah, thank you to everyone. And before I do something, well done. I don't believe in religion and politics. In general, I don't follow religion and politics much. I honestly don't like voting also, where my life is going. It's so tough to find good jobs in my town. And talking about life in general, when I talk about life in general and talk about politics, what's happened in India, and finally the education minister has resigned, and the credit. Why democracy opposition is very important. There is Bharatiya Janata Party, there is Congress Party, the oldest party as well. There is Aam Aadmi Party, there is Cockroach Janata Party. Yeah, so and credit goes to them because eventually they have won. The victims will be getting money. They will be the resignation has been accepted, and they are probably ending their strike also. So what it tells you is if youth comes on their own, then any government, anyone has to bend down, and this is just like a victory for them, a big victory. Yeah, and one more very important question is if this government goes, someone else comes, how it will change the things that probably people there are lots of people who think if the current government goes, someone else comes, they're going to serve them. It's their way of thinking. I never go that deep, but yeah, one thing which is very important, which a nation needs, is people's voice to be heard, and it just tells you if all the people come together, then anything is possible, and that's what happens. The decision the government was forced, but it's so surprising in India that Sonam Wangchuk was on a fast, and it took 28 days for the government to react. It's so surprising why they were taking so long. They were waiting for him to get more unwell. It was so surprising. But whatever, it was so sad to see the videos where people were beaten as well, and they have asked for the people who are involved, who beat those people, to be also punished. And hopefully, they are. Finally, this will end. Normal life will resume. But as I said, these type of agitations should continue from one end, that if youth, because youth, jobs, unemployment, petrol prices, these things are more important. Whatever achievements you see of the current system are all about religion, and these things are very very important. Maybe we are not able to get jobs. We are past our 20s, so maybe it doesn't matter. But you don't want other people to be struggling, to be not able to find jobs, being educated. It's very important. That's the most important topic of today's time. Just observe my hair. It's looking more like 1990s, 2000s Sanju Baba, Sanjay Nath, yeah. So let me do a few tracks. Hello from my side and from my pet side. And this is a very beautiful track from the movie Sajan, Jiye To Jiye Kaise, Bin Aapke. Music credit the Star Maker app. My ID is 621125095226, and also Rohit Wandering Stallion in YouTube. As I said, religion and politics are two topics which don't interest me, but there are certain issues. This issue of the student protest was not about politics, it was not about religion, and they have ended the protest. So it was all about right and wrong which was happening in our nation, and finally they had took the accountability, and the education minister has resigned. Maybe someone else will come, but it was required, it was necessary. And nice to hear the activist Sonam Wangchuk eat food as well. So it's lovely to see that as well. So let me do a few tracks. I like my town Dehradun. It's raining over here, and definitely I'm looking for a job here only. But yeah, it's okay. Whatever work I do, I'm okay with that. YouTube, thank you to all the subscribers who have been here. Let me start. A bit of a Baba like Sanju Baba type hairstyle. Let me continue here. Thinking of changing my gym also, and I will do. Yeah. Oh, I think I lost the conventional chair. जिए तो जिए कैसे है बिन आपके, जिए तो जिए कैसे हाय बिन आपके, लगता नहीं दिल कहीं बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके। कैसे कहूँ बिना तेरे जिंदगी ये क्या होगी, कैसे कहूँ बिना तेरे जिंदगी ये क्या होगी, जैसे कोई सजा कोई बदुआ होगी, जैसे कोई सजा कोई बदुआ होगी। मैंने किया है ये फैसला, जीना नहीं है तेरे बिना, जिए तो जिए कैसे, बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके। I can't sing the female styles in the male style. मुझे कोई दे दे जहर हंस के मैं पी लूंगा, मुझे कोई दे दे जहर हंस के मैं पी लूंगा, हर दर्द सह लूंगा हर हाल में जी लूंगा, हर दर्द सह लूंगा हर हाल में जी लूंगा, दर्द जुदाई सह ना सकूंगा, तेरे बिना मैं रह ना सकूंगा, जिए तो जिए कैसे, बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके। I love this big glasses here. देख के वो मुझे तेरा पल के झुका देना, देख के वो मुझे तेरा पल के झुका देना, याद बहुत आए तेरा मुस्कुरा देना, याद बहुत आए तेरा मुस्कुरा देना, कैसे भुलाऊं वो सारी बातें, वो मीठी रातें, वो मुलाकातें, जिए तो जिए कैसे, बिन बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके लगता नहीं दिल कहीं, बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हो बिन आपके। जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके लगता नहीं दिल कहीं, बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके जिए तो जिए कैसे, हाय बिन आपके। देख के वो मुझे तेरा पल के झुका देना, याद बहुत आए तेरा मुस्कुरा देना, याद। And it was such a beautiful movie, and there is Sanjay Dutt, Salman Khan, Salman Bhai is also there, and of course there is Madhuri Dixit as well. It's such a beautiful track. Jiye to jiye kaise. I'm in a mood to do a few Sanju Baba's tracks. That's why there's another one which I sometimes say to my pet as well. मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, 90s 2000 tracks. मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी जान में तेरी जान है ओ साथी मेरे। Let's do it. Music Rate, the Star Maker, MID is 6211250956. I don't know, there's some issue, I think. Some issue in the system, I think. So I need to maybe search for another one. Yeah, I need to search for another one, I think maybe. मेरी जान में तेरी जान है ओ साथी मेरे, मेरी दुनिया है। Let me try again maybe. मेरी some issue. मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी जान में तेरी जान है ओ साथी मेरे, मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी में तेरी जान है ओ साथी मेरे, मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं। पलकों में तेरे रूप का सपना सजा लिया, पहली नजर में ही तुझे अपना बना लिया, है यही आरज़ू हर घड़ी, बैठी रहो मेरे सामने, मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं। ऐसा लगे मेरे सनम हम जो यहाँ मिले, सहरा में जैसे शबनमी चाहत के गुल खिले, ये ज़मीं आसमां कह रहे हम तो कभी न होंगे जुदा, मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी जान में तेरी जान है ओ साथी मेरे, मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं। मेरी दुनिया है तुझ में कहीं, तेरे बिन मैं क्या कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी जान में तेरी जान है ओ साथी मेरे, मेरी दुनिया है। So I want to do one more track. This is again about Sanjay Dutt. Yeah, it's again track which again features him. I need to just tie my hair maybe a little bit here. Just kidding. Just feel like I need to just tie them up. वो मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने तू है वो मेरे अपनों में। हो मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने तू है वो मेरे अपनों में, तू है वो मेरे अपनों। Do not give access to your life to those people who do nothing for you. Do not give access to your life to those who are a blind supporter of a certain political party. Honestly, don't. If you're a blind supporter, I mostly unfollow those people. Yeah, and I don't want to follow because, as I said, change is the only constant. Permanent is always dangerous, something permanent. So change is the only constant. That's what I believe in. And as I said, I don't like talking about politics and religion, but what happened in India, it was a topic of India, and credit has to go to Cockroach Janata Party, definitely, man. They have to go to the credit. I even went to Dehradun protest, where students had gathered, so I was there for some time. So, so many innocent children students had taken their lives. I am also a student. I'm not that big. I'm in my 30s, so I also consider myself a student. Couldn't get a decent enough job, but yeah, whatever it is, this is the most important topic of India. Religion does matter, but it's not more important than if you are not alive, if you don't have proper work, then what will you do with the religion, man? So that's the thing. So it does matter, religion, but other issues are more important. You go outside, go in the petrol lines, petrol is so expensive. Then there is GST, PST, you have to take loans, you have to pay high rate of interest, and there's so many things, man. So life is very tough, especially in Uttarakhand. People are like, uh, how they are managing their lives. Expenses are happening in life, and government says big things. We are going to give 15 lakh rupees to every household, everyone. No one receives that 15 lakh. Fake promises. I'm not trying to say the opposition is good as well, but today what happened? It was actually a victory of entire opposition, including Cockroach Janata Party as well as, and this was not a political topic. Honestly, all those students who were standing at Jantar Mantar or wherever in India were not motivated by only the opposition. They were real people, I think, definitely. And as I say, as I showed in a few movies also, when the public stands, the government has to also stop. Government is serving the people. People are not serving the government, first of all. So if you want respect, you have to do something for them. That's a very important point. कि मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में तू माने ना माने तू है वो मेरे अपनों में. Yeah, I got this track. This is again such a beautiful track. Hopefully I get the lyrics right. Music credit the star maker MID is 6211250956. And also you can follow me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. And it was lovely to see even celebrities getting involved. Even Salman Khan got involved. He's suddenly said to Sonam Wangchuk, he took out fast and immediately in the night. Then, and it's going to help the ruling party also by removing their minister, because they are just taking the accountability. It's not always going to go against them, because they've been ruling for 12 years. They must have done something good. That's why they are. It's going to help them also, I think. Yeah. Hey, ah, 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 hey, ah, ah, ah. When your mood is happy, tend to do karaoke. I'm not much happy in my gym, but I'm definitely going after this. मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में तू माने ना माने हाँ तू है मेरे अपनों में हो मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में हो धड़कन से चलता है ये कैसा रिश्ता है मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में हो नींदों में हंसती हूँ ख्वाबों में उड़ता हूँ मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में मेरे मुन्ना भाई गुस्सा खा गया सर्किट चक्कर खा गया अब तक किसी की चाहत मेरे लब पे थी, तेरी नजर मेरी दस्तक दी हो अब तक किसी की चाहत। मेरे लब तक थी तेरी नजर ने दिल पे मेरे दस्तक दी, जागी सोया खोया खोया तन्हा मैं क्या हालत गजब हुई। मेरा एक सपना है, वो मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में। हो नींदों में हंसता हूँ, ख्वाबों में उड़ता हूँ। वो मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में। मन की डगर पे मुड़ के हम किधर धोधर, इशारे रोके हम जिधर जाए। मन की डगर पे हम मुड़ के जिधर जाए, तेरे इशारा रोके हम जिधर जाए। चलते चलते रुकते रुकते किस्मत मेरी क्या करवट बदल गई। ओ मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में। हाँ मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में। ओ धड़कन से चलता है ये कैसा रिश्ता है। वो मेरा एक सपना है कि देखो तुझे सपनों में, तू माने ना माने है तू ही मेरे अपनों में, है तू ही मेरे अपनों में। हे 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 ला 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 आहा हा 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 ला 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 ला। Thank you very much for following me on the Star Maker MID 6211250956. All these tracks will come on my hobbies on the app, and also you can subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now. Have a nice weekend. And I wandered out to maybe go to the gym for some time in little later. Bye bye for now. And from my pet side as well. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye for now.